Hi everyone, it's Beck Smith here, the DIY Marketing Trailblazer. Today is day 9 of my 40-day video series where I'm giving small business owners DIY marketing tips and tricks, particularly in the digital marketing space. So today I'm feeling a little bit like I'm missing my international friends. So I've got my Canadian Red Blacks jersey on. It's getting a little bit cold. But today I wanted to take you through another tip or trick on Facebook. How many of you out there have struggled to write compelling ads that really convert for your target audience? Don't know where to start, don't know what images to use, struggling to work out what would be a great key headline. Well, today I've got a tip where you can basically learn from other leaders within your industry what works, or at least give yourself some ideas on where to start when it comes to creating an ad. So I'm going to give you 2 examples today. One of them is for the plumbing trade, and then also for the personal fitness or trainers, basically people who are out there providing guidance and coaching around training and personal fitness. So basically, my first example here is I've found a business in Sydney that's in the plumbing and bathroom supplies industry. So it's a relatively significant page. They've got 2,600 people liking the page. So you'd think they'd have some idea of what they're doing when it comes to their advertising, but you may actually have someone that you follow, either a person or a company that you follow that's within your industry that you look up to and you think, are doing a great job when it comes to their social media or their business in general. So what you do is you come to their page, basically scroll down to this area where it shows you page transparency. And within this page transparency here, if we click on see more, it's going to bring up this screen and it tells me here that this page is currently running ads. So if I click on go to ad library, it's actually going to bring up the ads that they're currently running at the moment. So this is a great way for you to look at what your competitors are doing, or those businesses or individuals within your industry that are doing a great job and how they're going about that. So here we can actually see what they're selling, what the images, what the details around what hashtags they've used. You can also see that this was an Instagram. This is how a click through to visit the Instagram profile. This one here is a shop now. So that would click straight through to their website. You can also see here, if we click through on this link, it's going to take us through and show us their Instagram account. And then down the bottom, you can also click on see ad details. And sometimes that will actually provide you with additional details around what it is they're advertising. So that one is the plumbing and supply. Then for personal trainers, I thought Tiffany Hall is a great example of someone very aspirational within this market. She's got 86,786 people following her. So if we have a look at the page transparency area of her website and have a look at what she's doing, she is currently running ads. So we click on the go to ad library. And here come her ads. So we can see this one's actually, well, they're all videos by the looks of it. And we can see, this one's a signing up for her program. They're all sign up ads by the looks of it. But she's doing different creative executions to obviously see. She's offering 50% off all of her plans with a code that you can use here to get your discount by the end of April. So just a little cheat trick that you can use to fast track your way to advertising success on Facebook. You still need to obviously try different ad creatives and obviously different target audiences, but I'm going to give you a tip tomorrow which will help you get a better understanding on how to hone in on the right target audience for you. But until then, please make sure that you put a comment down below if there's a particular topic that you would like me to cover off for you. Please let me know if you're finding this information useful to you, and please make sure you like and share the video amongst your business owner friends who maybe could also benefit from it at this difficult time. All right, well, thanks very much. It was great to catch up with you today. Hope you're all safe and well, and I look forward to catching up with you tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye.